Hello, I want to talk to you about my experience with the Cub Cadet XT2 lawn tractor. Now, I've only owned one other lawn tractor before this one. I had a Craftsman that I got 16 years out of before the motor developed a crack in it. So I'm pretty good at taking care of them, and I can get a lot of life out of even an inexpensive Craftsman mower. I look forward to many, many good years with this one. My other mower died unexpectedly, and I had to run out and buy a mower at the end of the season. And I went to my local Cub Cadet dealer, and this was the only 42-inch they had in stock. I really was planning on getting the middle model, not the one with the small engine, not this twin-cylinder engine, but the one in the middle with fuel injection. But this was what they had in stock. So I bought it, and as it turns out, I'm really glad I got this one instead of what I intended to buy. Before I go any further, I want to mention, please like and subscribe to this channel if you find this helpful. Now, the main reason that I prefer this over the one I intended to buy is that I frequently cut down trees on the property and haul them off in a small cart. And I haul them down this driveway, which you can't see in the video, but it's very steep. At one point, it's about a 20-degree grade. So I go down the driveway, deposit it at the curb where the county will pick it up, and then of course come back up and load the trailer again. I don't have any way of weighing what I put in the trailer, but it's probably too much. And with any tractor with a heavy trailer behind it going down this driveway, it gets going pretty good. So I do more than just cut grass with this. And this lawn has a lot of slope to it. It's right at the limit of what I think I can safely mow on a riding mower like this. And so I'm asking this thing to do a lot. And this lawn is not level. It's bumpy and lumpy as can be. But as you can see, the mower does a wonderful job. Nice, smooth, even cut. And no matter what I'm towing behind the mower, or in the fall when I'm mulching leaves, and sometimes the leaves pile up in front of the mower, they're so thick on the ground, the engine RPM never changes. It just, whatever I throw at it, it just deals with it. And so I'm really happy to have gotten the twin cylinder. As they told me once in the store, once they found out I intended to bag, they said this is really the way to go, and I think they're correct. It's not perfect. I've made a few little alterations to it, but it is an excellent mower with lots of power that makes an even cut, and it's a lot more durable than my previous mower. Accidentally, I ran my previous mower into some steps that come down from my patio, just clipped the steps with the edge of the mower deck, and my Craftsman mower, it bent the deck. I had to remove the deck and hammer it out flat again and replace the blades. Unfortunately, I did the same thing with this. I should have known better, but I was going around a little too fast, wasn't paying attention. The edge of the deck caught on the bottom step. The tractor jumped to the side, which threw me out of the seat just about. I thought, well, let me just keep mowing and see what happens. The mower was fine. Whereas the other one, the deck got bent. This one did not. I don't recommend doing that, obviously, but I was really surprised at how sturdy the standard stamped steel deck is on this. I can't even imagine what the manufactured steel deck that's optional would be like. Another incident I had is right over here just outside the camera view. This spring when I was scalping the grass really, really short, I hit a tree stump. I've mowed over that stump hundreds of times, tree root. I'd mowed over hundreds of times and never been a problem. On this particular day, I had it set very low. One of the blades caught that tree root. The mower stalled immediately, and it bent one of the mower blades very badly. I really was certain I'd messed something up, but I took the bent mower blade off, put a fresh blade on, turned both the blades where they come together in the middle. Everything lined up fine, so I went ahead and mowed. It was just fine. I mean, already this thing has proven itself to be much more durable than my previous mower, so I can only imagine how long it'll last. I'm going to make it, so I can't sing enough praise about this. It's been absolutely wonderful and has exceeded all my expectations. I'm going to put together another video with some of the little upgrades and modifications I've made. So please check out my other video and like and subscribe. Thank you.